Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix the CapCut if your projects cannot export it. So all you have to do, open a project that you want to export. Usually if the projects cannot export, the first thing is you not yet edited your projects. For example, if you took your project from library and you have to, like this, for example, you have to edit first, or you cannot export your video, or you have to use a pro feature or pro material, but you not yet join CapCut Pro. So all you have to do, just join CapCut Pro to enjoy all the feature and material. And also there is something corrupted on your system that can be main culprit. For example, your video is not compatible. I mean, your video is not or deleted in your directory, in your space, in your storage. Sorry, you cannot find your video here. So if if your video already not yet edited in CapCut, you have to make sure you edit it first by like basic editing. Here you can do a retouch, or just add audio here, or animation like this. You can make a combination first, and after that you can export your video like this. So you can click export button. See, couldn't export. To avoid copyright, do not export material without editing them on CapCut. So you have to edit it first, your video here. Just add text, for example, just basic text, default text here. Just try to type anything that you want. For example, this one, sky. The font size here, so like this. And if you want to add animation, just video animation here. So after that, let's click export, and done. You can export your video here. The resolution, you can adjust your resolution. Bitrate, leave it be recommended by default. Codec, by default format, you can change between MP4 or MOV. Frame rate, you can try to higher as possible, and then you can export your video now. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the next button below. See you in the next video.